Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun, bago natin simulan na reading nito for you guys, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading nito ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin and tinan na natin ang mga mensahe for you, Sagittarius. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being here with us. In this reading, messages for Sagittarius, can you please show us? Messages for Sagittarius. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out ang mga mensahe for you, Saji. So let's see. Ilatag muna natin lahat ng energies para makakita tayo ng clear na wow! Ang strong ng energy, no? First energy pa lang, no? There's something to do with your wish, something that you're hoping for, you're praying for, you're yearning, you're desiring, you're wanting. Yeah. May kayong pinagdadasal dito, super taimtem, no? Super decision, no? Pwedeng may minamanifest kayo, something to do with your wish, any of a kind, no? Pwedeng dream car, dream house, you're manifesting those, dream house and lot, dream career, dream business right here, and even someone special. Maybe a specific person here na gusto mong maging committed sa kanya, or you may be praying here for a partner already na level up ang inyong connection. So let's see, okay? Oh, we have here as well the loss. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Hmm. So, you're manifesting here someone na hindi ka ipagpapalit ever, no? Let's get straight to the point. Gusto mo, Sagittarius, when it comes to commitment and relationship, yung hindi nangangaliwa, period. Yung faithful, period, no? Yun. Okay? So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. You're wanting that kind of relationship and commitment, yung hindi umaalis sa sitwasyon, yung hindi nang gugos, no? At hindi rito tumatakbo sa responsibilidad, no? Iba sa inyo, single mom and single dad, yes, I'm picking that up. Yan, no? Yung iba doesn't have to be na tinakbuhan ang inyong babies, no? Pero yung iba, yes. So, I'm sorry to know that, no? Mga babes, no? If that happened to you. Pero this person here, no, na nakikita kong minamanifest mo, no, and a wish fulfillment will give you this kind of something here na talagang ikakagalak, no, ng puso mo, no? This person right here will adore you. This person right here will admire you. Yeah, and will bring, no, magic into your life. Enchantment is right here. So, hindi naman niya kinakailangan maging kamukha si Prince Charming, si Cinderella, si Snow White, at kung sino pang mga Disney princesses at prince. Pero this person here, I'm seeing that this is what's manifesting for you guys, no? This is what you will get, that kind of love na talagang pulang-pula. There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of flame, there's a lot of fire here. Yan, na naglalagablab na pagmamahalan dito, no? And this ring, pwedeng ma-meet nyo siya, no? Like literally, ang weather ay tag-ulan or malamig ang panahon. I'm also picking that up. Maybe this person here is coming from this may climate rito, no, kung saan malamig yung temperatura talaga. Okay, pwedeng sa Baguio or sa Tagaytay or pwedeng sa ibang bansa. Just take how this reso. So, kung sino man to, hindi pa to revealing, pero tingnan mo, no, parang, yeah, narinig ko yung song na, sukob na, halika na, sabay tayo sa payong ko. Yeah, yun yun, di ba? See? Taray! Sabay daw kayo sa payong niya. See? Oh, kung makikita ninyo, this is still a silhouette right here. So, kung sino man siya, no, not it revealing, pero kitang-kita ko ng laki ng ngiti nyo rito, guys. No? This is the kind of relationship, mga babes, na paparating sa inyo, no? High chance na sa'yo itong reading na to kung in-involve ko ng person mo in a love affair, no? And I'm picking up that this is katrabaho strongly. Eh, alam mo, almost personal reading ito. Kasi nagbabanggit ako ng diretsyo na talaga. Pero just take how this reso, okay. So nakikita ko rito na merong naging maganda sa kanyang paningin, isang bulaklak sa kanyang paningin, no? Pwedeng katrabaho niya talaga yon. Okay? Sa iba, doesn't have to be nakatrabaho, pero in-involve kayo sa isang third party na tao po siya, no? Na may past life na ahas. So, kung sino man siya, iniwan niya kayo dahil sa isang third-party situation, no? Kung sino siya, meron siya ngayong hinaharap na struggle at problema when it comes to kaso. Yan, para sa iba, nakikita ko, I don't know, no? Pero meron siguro nanonood dito. Very specific to for you, honey. Okay, pero just take how this reso, no? For this very specific message that I'm getting from this legal, nahaharap yung person mo, no? Hindi ikaw yung nakikita kong nagkaso sa kanya. Meron siyang kasong kinakaharap, no? This is somewhat personal, no? So, pwedeng meron siyang kinakaharap na kaso dito, no? Kung saan may hearing, may aatinan siya rito na korte, meron ditong, nag-iisip siya actually kung makikipag-ayos, no? Pero kasi nakikita ko na wala siyang anda. Kung meron man, hindi yung sapat, no? Para magbigay rito, no? Ng offer na pagkakaayos, no, na may kinalaman ang money. So, nakikita ko na nahihirapan siya ngayon rito, no. So, I think this does not involve you. Meron siya ritong napasukan na gulo, no, kung saan meron ditong kasong na isampa or kasali siya dun. Yan, no, may problema po siya, no. So, whoever this individual is, no, like literal na dumadaan siya ngayon sa black and white. Na situation sa kanyang buhay, no? So, yan. I think this person, yun yung karma niya. Yeah. Or kung sino man yung third party, yun ang kanyang kakarmic. Yeah. That person, okay, is marireceive niya yung mga lessons na yan, no, during sa kanyang connection with that karmic partner here. Sino man yung naipalit niya sa inyo, no, yun yung kakarmic niya. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing this person here being cut off, no, hindi ko alam kung sa trabaho niya, no, pwedeng natanggal siya sa work niya because pwedeng dun nag-exist or doon kasi yung parang dahilan na may kinalaman dito sa court cases. So, pwede kasing nag-neglect siya, no? Not literally na nakikita ko na sinadya niya yon. Actually, nakukuha ko rito na parang wala nga siyang alam about that, pero damay siya. Okay. But you have wish being fulfilled when it comes to love. And this is something here that will excite you. See, roller coaster is right here. Yeah, this is about to put you in that highest high frequency of happy, positive vibration. And yeah, you will feel like, no, na parang na-excite ka, you're on the go, you're super high energy, adrenaline rush, parang this is you, no, na parang super taas talaga, like, literally intense yung nakikita kong ibubuga mo ritong energy. And yeah, kung sino man yan, no, siya na talaga mga babes na I'm seeing you buying a home, buying a house, no. Kaya kung ikaw ay nakatira ngayon together with your biological parents or family, no, I'm seeing you moving in together here with someone, okay, na dito kasukob mo sa payong na yan, no. Alam mo yung ulan na yan, sasamahan ka yan, general message na isasamahan ka yan, no, kahit sa mga tag-ulan at tagbagyo, no, na pagdadaanan mong mga problema. So, napakaganda, no, na nakukuha natin yung mensahe dyan. Okay? And also, nakikita ko na nagtatapos na rito, mga babes, no, yung cycle, okay, ng iyong past na tragedy, no, together with this person who involved you into a third party. It's ending at pa-close na talaga ito ng tuluyan kasi nakikita ko na nag-iiba na yung energy mo, no? Yeah. Okay. So, definitely, hindi mo alam, no, na may nangyayari na ritong kaso-kaso sa yung partner here. Okay, that's what I'm sensing. Ikaw, nakikita kita, no? Actually, this is something here, like end of the month, but hindi ko masyadong makita yung month kung ano yon, but it gives me this kind of message, okay, that this is happening 2024 for you guys. Like literally, singles, get ready. Kasi nakikita ko kayo na talagang marami-rami sa inyo yung magugulat kayo, no? Kasi this is really fast, like a roller coaster, no? When this person comes in, magiging mabilis yung takbo ng mga pangyayari rito, no? Hindi naman kayo nakikita nagmamadali, pero ang bilis ng pangyayari rito. Like, you will feel like this is the one for you. And then, everything right here will start moving fast, no? Hindi naman yung parang, minsan ang bilis naman yan, baka mamaya iwanan ako niyan, no? Hindi, no? Ito nga yung para sa'yo, no ka ba? Ayan, no? Ikaw ay susi at siya ang kandado. So, match na match talaga kayo nitong person na to, no? So, nakikita ko dito na kaya magiging mabilis ito mga babes, no? Kasi, ang tagal mo rin naman kasi itong winish, no? Matagal ka rin kasing tumambay dun sa mga exes mo, no? Na nilagay ka sa trahedya rito, no? Kaya, in short, no? Na-delay lang at na-pending lang yun. Pero yung totoo, no, matagal na kayo nagmamahalan nitong person na to na paparating sa buhay mo, no, spiritually, bago pa lang kayo mag-meet, yun. No? Kaya nga, ini-encourage ko kayo sa Sagittarius, no, na nakukuha ko rito ang energy ng naging reading natin kanina, no, sa collective reading, no, yung ang title is Super Strong ng Connection Ninyo. Yun ba yung title no tinitle ko doon? Basta yun, no? So, whatever the case, maybe watch that because I'm getting that energy flowing as well here. So, yan, no? Dito, I think, hindi naman sa parang lalapit at hihingi ng tulong sa inyo itong past lover ninyo, no, regarding money issues, no? Pero I think the universe just want you to know, okay? They're letting you know about this, okay? For some reason here. Maybe, yung iba sa inyo, mga babes, no? This is something here that you prayed for. But then again, okay, this is not something here na kasi yun yung gusto kong mangyari sa kanya kasi gusto ko siya makarma, blah, 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 blah. Hindi naman yun, no? I think this is just a ticket for you to move forward. It's like, hindi ka na parte, mga babes, no, ng buhay niya. So, hindi mo na siya cargo rito. At isa pa, no, parang mapaghandaan mo na rin, maabisuhan ka na rin na kung sakali man na lumapit itong person na to ulit sa'yo, asking for some kind of help in regards to money concerns. Okay? So, para hindi ka na rin magulat, no? Pero yun nga, no, literal na court kaso ang hinaharap niya. I'm seeing papeles at nakita rin ako ng pang-stamp. So whatever the case may be, this person is nahaharap sa isang kaso. Yeah. So, Saji, ito ang mga mensahe for you guys. Thank you so much, Harang I Love and Life. Annyeong!